anyone who is in the Pitch Lab, which is our monthly membership experience where we really hone in on your pitching skills, anyone who's there knows there's an emphasis on strategic, targeted pitching, and we show you how to do that. So when I talk about pitch templates, that is a starting place. This is not take it, blast it out, spray and pray. You guys have heard that, right? Throw spaghetti on the wall and see what sticks. Pitch every outlet in your database and just cross your fingers, right? That doesn't work. And that is pure laziness. That's not how we are in this community. This is a community of really focused professionals who want to do the best for their clients, right? So we have these pitch templates that serve as the starting point. It serves as the foundation of what you include, and then you customize it and you make it targeted for the outlet, targeted for that specific writer, targeted for your client's unique story and what makes them interesting. You have to like reimagine and come up with new ideas and seasonal and timely relevant story angles. What is the media talking about and when, and how do you fit your clients, brands, products, and services into that narrative? So this is an approach where you have the fundamentals laid out for you in these pitch templates, and then you layer in all of the stuff that makes your pitch timely, relevant, targeted, strategic. Those are the things that make you excel at what you do and provide the best service for your clients. And it's shocking to me, like shocking, how many PR pros do not do this. And they don't because it's time consuming. Because it's easier to just write a really good generic pitch and hope the person on the other end reads it and sees how it fits for what they're doing, rather than create a unique pitch for every editor that you're pitching. And it's not reinventing the wheel each time. It's subtle, simple tweaks to make it line up and have that person reading it see it and say, that is such a great fit for my readers. This person understands my editorial focus. They know that their content aligns well with what we cover or what I specifically cover in this publication. I'm paying attention. Okay, so this is the approach that you can take with pitch templates. So you take these templates, and then with the strategies we teach in the Pitch Lab, you are able to customize and tailor and target them in a way that gets editors' attention, and they see exactly why your client is the right fit for them. You have to use it correctly, and I want you to know the mistake that people make is not customizing it, and they're using it to mass pitch, and that is a no-no. If that's what you're here for, we don't want you. We don't want you. If you're here to be lazy, if you're here to do the bare minimum, our strategies aren't for you. We're going to teach you strategies that work. We're going to teach you ways to be effective and customize this thing in a way where you get a yes. And if you're here to just spray and pray, then you know what? Go be lazy somewhere else.